As you can see here, it's the original there, the residue from the wood. So as I said in the other video, it's a very light paint that I put on. After speaking to the manufacturers, they said it normal. When you get to this stuff, I shed for testing stuff. Hot water, old scourer, rinse, see where we're up to. And as you can see, bare metal here, but let's do those. That there's pot belly black. I can tell it's a bit right where the firebox was. That's where the firebox was. Porcelain enamel. You can see it bare in some parts. That's why I painted it in the first place. See where the hand